You'll notice, for example, all of these lines that crisscross this image, creating a web, holding it all together. These lines represent beams from the stars and the heavenly bodies, the sun, the moon, and the 5 planets that were known in Hildegard's time. Hildegard says that the stars are like nails holding together the wall. The stars hold together the cosmos. Then you'll also see these interesting animal figures, and they're a little easier to see if we go to this other image that goes with the 3rd vision in the manuscript. These animal heads represent the wind. And for Hildegard, the winds, this network of winds, is another part of what keeps the whole universe together. I want to tell you a little bit of a story here. The first week of September, the first 2 days of September, where I live in southeastern Kentucky, we had very unstable weather. And that happens a lot when we get a lot of humidity in the air. A lot of heat and humidity makes the air very unstable. And I was out one morning with my kids in the yard. We were desperately trying to play Frisbee and have as much playtime as we could before the storms that we could see were coming arrived. We were getting these huge gusts of wind, and my son grew frustrated because it kept blowing the Frisbee away. And he said, "Dad, I wish we could just control them, make the winds stop doing this." So, of course, I had to explain to him that no, we can't control the winds. The winds have their own energy. They are the energy of the atmosphere. To explain it to him, I said, you imagine that you can think of the air as being excited, and that makes sense to a kid, being excited. And excitement makes you move, right? And the excitement in the air wants to make the air move with these gusts of wind. And the thing is, this idea of lots of energy with the winds, that's exactly what Hildegard understood the winds to do as well. The physical function of the winds, Hildegard understood, was to transmit energies from the cosmic spheres into the atmosphere, and thus to the earth, to preserve the things that are in the world, tempering them.